We're going to install these chain tensioners on a dirt jumper. We'll definitely need this, and we'll optionally need these if we want it to look tidy. Don't lose your stuff when you take it off. Assemble the tensioner with the bracket cut out facing towards the ring. We're using a normal nut for now. The ring has a key that fits into the dropout. We're just going to install this so we can measure the correct length of the ring's bolt. Not too tight. Install the tensioner so that it adds tension to the chain, then tighten the nut. Repeat everything on both sides. Tighten them as evenly as you can to keep the wheel straight. Measure the protruding bolt so it's identical on both sides. You can use the nut to keep track of the measurement. Place the ring in a vice grip. Make sure to account for the width of the blade. Carefully saw the nut. File away any edges that might interfere with the nut. Reassemble everything. We're going to use a closed nut for the end of the bolt. A socket driver is handy for the final tuning. Don't over tighten one side too much before installing the other. Repeat this on the far side and you're done.